Hello everyone. Now today I will tell you something about CapCut. First, let's recognize the interface. Now let's open the CapCut and click the new project. You can choose the video or photos. Let's choose a video and click to add. Now your materials be imported. After entering the editing interface, we can see the area of view and the timeline area, toolbar area. Look at this area of view. The time here represents the current duration and total duration. Point here, we can play for info screen and click the play button. We can view video. When you made some mistakes, you can click here and undo. This area is timeline. Look at this vertical line is timeline, and this is time scale. We can sweep the video actually on the timeline, and you can see the video trunk and taxi trunk. You can add some text. Then you can add some stickers. You can see the stickers trunk. Let's add a sun. And this orange one is for text trunk, and the yellow one is for stickers trunk. Click the text or stickers. You can edit the duration of them. In addition, pinch here with 2 fingers. You can zoom the size of video. Point the prompt. You can turn the sound of video on or off. The video sound on and the video sound off. If you want to import more materials, you can point this plus to import some videos or photos. Just like this. You don't need to do anything. You can see the primary toolbars, and if you click the video, you can see the secondary toolbars. You can see the functions just like split, speed, delete. So that's it. Now today's class is over. See you next time.